All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is foldable number 1 for the perimeter, or finding the perimeter and area in the coordinate plane. So we kind of got to have a little go back and remember these formulas from way back in the day. But they're all here. So we have the square, triangle, rectangle, circle, parallelogram, rhombus, and kite. And of course, we have some formulas here for distance, midpoint, and slope. So go ahead and write these down for a second, and then we'll go ahead and get started. So pause, and then boom, movie magic. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go to this one here. And this one says, well, it says find the perimeter and area of each. So first things first. First, we have to actually draw what it is. And we have our coordinate plane here, and we have coordinates that we're going to use for. Looks like it's going to be a rectangle for H, I, J, and K, and we have our H, I, J, and K coordinates there. So the first one we're going to point is the first point we're going to use is -5, -3, which is -5, and then -3. 1, 2, 3. It's about right there. Then we have -5, +2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to go up 2. Then we're going to go ahead and do the next one, which is 2, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. And the next one should be 2, -3. 2 and -3. We're going to go ahead and connect the dots using this back of an ID card. I know it takes a little while, sorry about that. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and label these. So once again, we had our H, I, J, and K, and might as well just put the points in as well. So we have -5, -3, -5, 2, 2, 2, and 2, -3. So for this thing, first is asking us to find the perimeter. What we can do is we can actually use the distance formula if you wanted here, but since this is such that they're all kind of straight lines, when you notice that the x's or the y's are the same, you can actually just count on the number line to see how many is it across, and same up. So we're going to do that instead. I know some of the other ones coming up are going to have some diagonals, so we'll have to actually use the distance formula to find those. Okay, so in order to find, if you remember the formula for parallelogram, or sorry, rectangle, is 2 times the base plus 2 times the height. So we'll go back here and we have the thing there. So let's go ahead and figure out what the distance is here. So because this is a rectangle, we know that this is going to be the same as this, and then this is going to be the same as this, but we can actually count it to make sure. So if we notice from here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a distance of 5 units. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's good. And then we have our base. So this is our height. Our base is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. All right, cool. So we have that now. So this is also going to be 7. We can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so we have, once again, the formula was, for the perimeter, was equal to 2 times the base plus 2 times the height. So we're going to get 2 times our base, which was 7, plus 2 times our height, which is 5. And we get 14 plus 10 equals 24. So our perimeter is equal to 24. Then we're going to go ahead and find our area. Our area was equal to our base times our height. So this is going to be the same thing. I mean, this is stuff that we learned a long time ago. So our base again was 7, and our height was 5. So our area is going to be equal to 35.